Market Analysis, November 23, 2023. Good morning, everyone, and thank you for choosing Market Briefing, Market Analysis, and Financial News. Every day, our goal is to provide you with a thorough and knowledgeable analysis of the most relevant financial news to help you navigate the complex economic landscape. Let's begin our daily review. Markets take a pre-holiday breather after a volatile week. Major U.S. indexes managed to close Wednesday's session slightly higher as investors paused trading ahead of the Thanksgiving holiday. The S&P 500 gained 0.41% to end at 4,556. The Dow Jones added 0.53%, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq rose 0.46% despite a 2.5% drop in Nvidia shares following its earnings report. Trading volume was muted across markets. The SPDR S&P 500 ETF, which tracks the broad index, traded 59.3 million shares compared to its 30-day average volume of 84.6 million. The lighter trading comes after a turbulent week packed with market-moving news. Early in Wednesday's session, the yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury note briefly dipped to 4.369%, its lowest level since September 20th. But yields soon rebounded back near Tuesday's closing level of 4.41%. Oil prices also gyrated wildly this week after planned OPEC+ production cuts failed to stem worries over waning global demand. Prices plunged around 5% on Wednesday following reports that the cartel delayed its upcoming meeting until December 4th. Most of those losses were paired by the session's end. Volatility also struck shares of Chinese e-commerce titan Alibaba. Last week, regulatory filings revealed that founder Jack Ma planned to sell $870 million worth of stock in the company. The news arrived alongside Alibaba's announcement that it would not proceed with spinning off its cloud computing unit. Shares sank nearly 9% over two sessions before recovering modestly. On Wednesday, reports emerged that Ma now intends to pause his planned stake sale. And at artificial intelligence startup OpenAI, a wild boardroom shakeup saw CEO Sam Altman ousted last week, only to be reinstated days later after a new board reclaimed control. Former U.S. Treasury Secretary Larry Summers and former Salesforce co-CEO Bret Taylor now sit on OpenAI's board after last week's power shift. Markets have contended with an eventful year packed with inflation worries, interest rate hikes, recession fears, and geopolitical tensions. After the holiday, investors may welcome calmer trading. But some post-Thanksgiving periods have also brought surging share prices for certain stocks. Our research highlights opportunities in the retail and chemical sectors, among others. Before proceeding with our analysis, we would like to remind you that your support is very important to us. If you enjoy this video and find our content helpful and engaging, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. This helps us grow and provide you with even more quality content. Now, let's get back to the news on the financial markets and the latest updates. Major indexes. At market close on Wednesday, November 23rd. S&P 500, 4,556, plus 0.41%. Dow Jones, 34,030, plus 0.53%. Nasdaq, 11,285, plus 0.46%. 10-year Treasury yield. 4.41%, unchanged from Tuesday. Market stats. Trading volume below 30-day averages across major indexes and ETFs. 59.3 million shares traded for SPDR S&P 500 ETF, compared to 84.6 million 30-day average. Oil prices paired most losses after plunging 5% midday Wednesday. OPEC+ delayed planned Sunday meeting to December 4th following reports of internal discord over production cuts. Alibaba founder Jack Ma now said to pause planned sale of $870 million in shares after stock tumbled 9% last week on separate news around stake sale and failed cloud unit spinoff. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman reinstated days after surprise ouster. New board members include ex-Treasury Secretary Larry Summers and ex-Salesforce co-CEO Bret Taylor. Significant recent executive turnover and shifts in strategy. So markets are taking a bit of a breather before the Thanksgiving holiday after contending with various spikes in volatility this week. With lighter trading volume ahead, Investors may enjoy some calm before potential news developments stir increased activity again next week. In conclusion, we'd like to thank you for watching Market Briefing, market analysis, and financial news. If you enjoyed our insights and found the information helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel to stay updated with future analyses. Thank you again for your support, and we'll see you soon with more interesting news. Remember, the information in this video is purely informational and does not constitute investment advice. Always consult with a professional before making financial decisions.